Hey, I'm Mike. This is Calvin. This is Dean. And over here we have Kyprios. We're the filmmakers that are going to be doing a music video for Kyprios' song, Waiting for the World to End.
We're basically talking about having a passion and trying to follow a dream, but also the realities of having a 9-to-5 and having to provide.
What we're going to do is release a couple of short videos around the voting stage that show a little bit of background behind the music video.
It's going to be an amazing project. We're happy to have Kyprios on board, and what we need right now is your vote.
Big ups to Story High for making this possible. It's a great opportunity for us. Without grants like that, we wouldn't have an opportunity as artists to create and collaborate on a project like this. So vote.
Babe, you gotta come check this out.
Really? I'm already late for work and I don't care about your stupid video.
I appreciate that, but we've been working hard on this. This is a cool project.
When are you gonna grow up, David? Get to work.